In the quiet corridors of your mind, a groundbreaking discovery echoes: the power of sound therapy. Recent studies reveal that specific sound frequencies can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. Imagine a world where a simple melody could calm your racing heart. Researchers found that listening to 528 Hz frequency, known as the love frequency, promotes relaxation and healing. This frequency is believed to repair DNA, enhance mood, and improve overall well-being. As the Yeholmotenshna echoes of stress fade, cutting harmona night shako holt shanka takes sanan tener ktain xinke discover the symphony iduk the in as tentlete yan transform your life.